23 millimeters, and I'll be able to remove this thing from here. There you go. Already came loose just by hand. So this is one thing I like to do, is work on these while I can. And I don't know if you can hear it, but when you shake a good one, it's supposed to rattle. Let me get a good one for comparison's sake. Okay, so here's a brand new one. Check it out. You can almost hear it already. Here's the old one. Pretty noticeable difference, right? So sometimes you could blow this thing because it's gunked up with oil. So just get some cleaner and blow it. And it's a check valve, so fluids go in this way. Nothing goes back the other way. Shouldn't. I mean, we're just having fun here. So let's spray this. Ooh, there's some sort of a plug over there. Okay, let's try shaking it now. A little better, but not quite there yet. Okay, let's try it again. Okay, I could see it go through, so that's good. But it's working in the direction we expect it to work. Let's blow this way this time. Coming back out, right? Because it is a check valve. And for people, you know, for the good of the general public, a check valve is a fluid control device that is supposed to allow fluid in one direction but not in the reverse direction at a given time. Air being a fluid, fluids are not just liquids. So let's try shaking it. It's got a little more of a shake to it, a little more of a rattle, but it's not there yet, you know? Anyway, I'll stop messing around with this. The whole point of this, of me trying to blow it, was to tell you that sometimes I know some people who take these and clean them out and shake them and make them, you know, make them rattle somewhat, but this is what a new one should sound like. There's no guessing if it's rattling or not. It is very evident, right? Anyway, so here's something else to note. This one here, the old one, here's an O-ring on it, if you can see that. But when you buy a brand new one from Nissan, it does not come with an O-ring. However, you have to at least have the... If you're replacing it, you might as well, you know, you might be tempted, or might, with good reason, take this O-ring out, the old one, and put it on the new one. Personally, I just decided to buy a brand new O-ring, and here's the part number, 118126N200, and that's the O-ring that goes over there for the PCV valve. If you do buy a PCV valve from, I think, AutoZone or O'Reilly's, usually they come with an O-ring, so that's just something to share out there. It just depends on what you'd rather do and what sits well with you. When I'm rebuilding an engine and I'm spending so much time and money on it, I buy things from the guys that designed the engine.